Also afa be chiri yo hwame monko ma soma hodo na mamre ho nsem so ahene nsem so wo no mudin retana odole so de to MMDCEs ye wo man mu nyina ne mo so mo homodin ase spatial planning guidelines fufu yo modi abe wetumi de dwume sanse beboa amase ye dan kra no mo sie kwan abededemu.
Land Use and Spatial Planning Authority, LUSPA, share Local Gov't Ase GIZ, Edin Shishe Guaquem Asona se ama Eniema womu bitmi edia bom patemu ban ama wada hono woma yemun sachremu na dwumedi ekoso ewon kran oswafo abedichi a ono na hwe Local Gov't enwon sem so ede futu sem se ema MMDCEs
omo ye presidents representatives omujina president and name what district bia na omo wo tumi no efise krata wo ho a kire se obia obeye development bia no esese otumi kwa assembly no intimation omo kran se obi ni krata se o say ye development bia you as an assembly no esese wo kom na wo stop no na kwan esese ofa so ayetene ne kwan no wo hwe se obefa sa kwan ne so
din ema MMDCEs enso edin sem sei etudwa.
This is timely. Say you be BBC bit me a guide operation, especially before say we are about as a document, it's a revised document. However, BBA revised is about reorganizing it for the better.
Component manager GIZ edit to just say ne hu hia pa se wo mo eso na se wo mo di sika ene workshop ebinium. In
a very close relationship with the LUSPA, the Land Use and Spatial Planning Authority, to review the guidelines that were already existing. So it was the guidelines from 2011. So we've worked in close collaboration with them. We've also organized and supported, in collaboration with LUSPA, several different workshops involving the different institutions, agencies and ministries that are having specific standards that needs to be taken into consideration in the guidelines. And in that sense, we did several workshops to include their different standards and also revise the guideline.